Are you going to the Head Start Conference in Portland? Well, you gotta come see my workshops. My name is Ron Schwali, if you already don't know that, and I'm gonna be doing 2 workshops. Wednesday morning, Behavior Mastery. It's already on the Academy Plus's platform. It's the most amazing behavior system that actually teaches you how to transform your classroom and get the neurodivergent exceptional kids to come on board with you as opposed to doing their own thing. That's 9 a.m., D135 and D136. They put me in the biggest room, 291 people, and it's gonna be sold out, standing room only. If you're a director, if you're an aspiring director, join me Thursday morning, same time, same place, 9 a.m., D135, D136 for Captain of the Ship. Go onto the C Event app, look for my name, Ron Schwali, S-H-U-A, Schwa. Lee, L-I, and then sign up for my workshops, get there early, and I promise you're gonna have a great time. See you in Portland.